I'm going to show you how you can easily find profitable Solana meme coins and wallets. Thoroughly investigate any wallet you're considering. Look for wallets with a strong track record, positive reviews, and active development. Tools like CoinStats and Pulse Tracker Sol can help you track and monitor Solana wallets. These platforms offer detailed analytics, transaction history, and performance metrics. Engage with Solana and meme coin communities on platforms like Telegram or Discord. These communities often share insights, tips, and early information about promising wallets and coins. Use wallet analyzers to evaluate the historical performance of wallets. Now look for wallets that have consistently selected profitable tokens and have a good track record. Keep an eye on the latest news and trends in the Solana ecosystem. Websites like CoinGecko and BybitLearn provide updates on top-performing meme coins and wallets.